Guys, welcome to Michael's Millennial Money. This is the channel mostly about personal finance, investing into real estate, crypto, stocks, and even into ourselves. I just turned 25. I started 7 years ago, literally from nothing. And I'm sharing here with you how I was able to save up first $100,000 while I was in university, how my friends were doing parties and I was already hustling, buying properties in university, how I was able to start a business in logistics with a friend and so on. And actually I think it's pretty decent when you are in the younger age, because there is a lot of people, not even older, are not able to do the same things, which I always stay to the ground, but I just want to share it with you. If you want to talk more about your situation and if there is anything you think I can help you out, there is in description calendly.com. You just click on it and you see my calendar, and over there we can schedule our 30-minute call where we can talk about anything you want, and you can always send me some description before and I can review it, see if I can help you out or not really. Guys, I'm more than excited because I had already a couple conversations. If you want to, we can do for free because I'm kind of learning how to do it and so on. So definitely, if you want to, just reach out. And yeah, let's go for the video. Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to Michael's Millennial Money. Did you know that people spend most of the money by end of the year? Which makes sense because there's Black Fridays, Christmas days, New Year and all the other things as well. And today the topic of the video is actually challenge. I'm gonna challenge you and I'm gonna challenge me as well, that I call it Frugal January. I wanna spend less than $500 a month for month of January. I'm gonna share it with you why I'm thinking that it's actually good to do, why I was actually not doing that before, and I wanna encourage you that it's possible to save some money even though it sounds very hard to do it. But I think the most important thing is that we think about our finances, and if we save already some amount of money, it's already big win. More we do, way better. With that being said, let's get ready for the video. You can support me with a like or subscribe. Why to save money during the January? Well, at first it doesn't have to be in January, but I'm gonna do it in January because everybody has a new resolution, people are that they wanna save money on something, or they wanna go to gym regularly, or I'm not sure what did you put in your resolution. But to be honest, I don't believe into New Year resolution. If I want to change something, I don't have to wait for New Year, right? So of course I did write down something in December, and most of the things I can even share with you. I don't have a problem. One of them was, stop drinking. I don't want to see any alcohol. Alcohol to me is a beer. If there is a sweet that has some alcohol inside, I don't want to, have it as a candy, because yeah, it's crazy. It's everywhere, like sugar and alcohol, it's everywhere. So then I did actually write down that who I don't want to meet with anymore, and why is actually that reason there. And there is actually way more, and I'm kind of putting them down more and more whenever I have time and I have it in my mind, so I don't wait for the new year. So guys, Frugal January, why is it important? Well, let's save money, right? In my situation, I'm broke. I can tell you, I'm broke, and I don't have any problem with that. But I don't like one thing about being broke, that I cannot buy apartment. And it sounds very crazy, but in other way, it just makes me, I don't know, feeling sometimes even angry. I feel anger because I cannot buy it. But you know what? I have 4 months or 5 months to go before I go abroad. I'm gonna buy something, or at least I'm gonna plan something that I'm gonna buy this year. There is no way that I'm not gonna buy anything this year. No fucking way. So yeah. And how are you gonna save money in February or January or March? Well, I'm gonna do it like this. So my budget is $500 US because I used to live on $300 and now I spend $1,500 a month. So why is that so, right? But I understand there was Christmas and this, and my friend had the wedding, and then some fun part and so on. So how I'm gonna save money on rent, which you might not like it because there might be some people, hey, if I could be you, I would do it, but it's not easy. I'm not living with the parents, I'm living with a friend who is helping me out, because he knows that, I think he knows that I'm the right person to do and talk with and be friend with, and I was in a situation that I need place to stay, and it doesn't make sense for us, to buy or rent an apartment for $1,000 when I know I'm going abroad in a couple months, right? So yeah, I asked him if he could help out, and so I'm paying him monthly contribution, which is $100, better than 500, it's good. My parents were asking 4 times more, so I appreciate that. This is the reason why I appreciate more sometimes friends than any family member. But that's the topic for next video, right? So that's the first so I'm gonna spend 400 more. Where? So food, I would try to save money on food. Well, pretty much what I'm gonna do in January, I'm not gonna buy shit I don't need, right? If I like shoes or pullover or, you know, anything, any hoodie, or I'm not gonna buy it. Glasses, I wanna buy sunglasses. No, I'm not gonna buy it because I can survive without it. It will be different story. Like, let's say I had some health issues, you have to solve it out, you have to pay it. There is no other option, right? Definitely don't save money on it. So other thing, like charging electric car. I drive electric car. I figured out how I can do it for free with the company and so on. So it's written on the company that I own, so I can do it even for free because I have like these cards for like charging the cars and fuel, and I pretty much, there is a big amount of money that we spend, so we get some discounts and sometimes we get some like cashbacks, let's say, in a way. So charging, let's say it's sold out, or I will spend maybe $100 on it, so I already spent 200, and then yeah, I have 300. I pay for gym membership $50, which is a lot, and then, you know, I have 250 that I can spend on the food. And I did buy protein for $60, but I'm sharing that with a friend, so $30. Yeah, I have to be careful with the spending this month, right? But if I'm gonna spend more, it's okay. I mean, I just do it because I wanna do it. It's not like I have to. I don't have any money, even though I said I am broke, which I think I am. But yeah, it's not about if I spend $650, it's still less than $1,500. And you know what? That's my thinking. So going from $1,500 to $500, it's hard. But if I will meet myself in the middle, $800-900, wow, it's win, because I already figured it out and I was thinking about finances, and there is nothing more important. This is like the message from the video. There is nothing more important whatever you save, it's not gonna bring that big, you know, freedom to you. But the thing that you think about it and you do it, it's more powerful than anything, because it's fun. It's fun, you know. It's interesting to deal with your finances and so on. So yeah, that's actually a video about frugality and frugal month of January. I'm not gonna sure how I'm gonna title this video, but probably some kind of challenge. Join me on this January frugal challenge or whatever. Let's do it. Let's have a fun. You know, I'm excited. That's the craziest thing I'm excited about. So yeah, thanks for watching this video, and you can always ask anything in the questions and so on in the comment section below. See ya. Bye bye.